Well, whenever the Aam Aadmi Party has made such allegations, the opposition party, and especially the BJP, has always demanded evidence. This time the Aam Aadmi Party has come up with an audio and visual evidence, according to them. They say Sher Singh Dagar is being seen in that offering money to their MLA. I have with me Mr. Asutosh. He's the senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. Asutosh, you have presented this with evidence. BJP is now saying it is still fabricated. We want to verify the authenticity of the audio and video.
I can only laugh at them because when we have been making an allegation and accusation, what they were saying, accusation, they said that there's no evidence, where is the evidence? And Aam Aadmi Party is in a habit of making accusations. Today, the evidence is there. And it is quite crystal clear. It's not only this one. This operation has been going on for the last 1.5 months. And there are more than 30 telephonic conversations. There are more than 2 hours of the footage there involved. So, if they want to get it checked, please send it to anywhere. Send it to the US.
Are you ready to send this for forensic investigation?
Oh, yes.
Because you have also said that you are going to lodge an FIR.
Oh yes, 100%. I'll request, we'll hand over the tapes to the BJP and let BJP get it checked, because now their government is there at the center. If they want to check the authenticity, you know, BJP is in a habit of saying such things because they are habitual offenders. It was their leader, their president Bangaru Lakshman was caught on camera accepting money. It was Dileep Singh Judeo, their member of parliament, who accepted money on camera, and the famous word, Bhagwan Khuda ki kasam, paisa Khuda to nahi, lekin Khuda se kam bhi nahi. And whole world knows what they did in Karnataka.
So there is also a question now. The BJP is saying that we spoke to certain BJP leaders. Vijender Gupta very clearly said, did not deny it, but said we have not authorized anybody to go ahead and contact the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. Would you now believe that the BJP is on the back foot and you have somehow spoiled their preparations for a government formation?
It's not a question of spoiling anybody's preparation. It's a question of defending and defending democracy in this country. If MLAs are bought and sold and the government are formed through the back door, and if Lieutenant Governor is keeping that option open, making as a facilitating the entire with the BJP, this is the murder of democracy.
Very quick last question: are there other MLAs of the party which are being approached by the BJP?
We have been telling for the last 3 months that more than half a dozen MLAs have been approached by BJP in the last 3 months. That's why we were saying that BJP have been offering 20 crores and more, ministerial berth and everything. In the coming days, you might see more surprises.
Thank you so much, Asutosh. They're very clearly saying in coming days there will be more exposes. Rishika, the pot of has been boiling here as far as the Delhi government is concerned, and of course the BJP has now decided they're going to hit back. So far they have been defiant. At 2 p.m. Today there is a press conference scheduled by the BJP state president, and along with him,
stay on with us. Sambit Patra of the BJP has in fact reacted to this entire controversy. Let's listen.
पार्टी दिल्ली प्रदेश शायद उनका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी करेगी, और शेर सिंह डागर खुद कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ कहा ही नहीं है। स्वाभाविक रूप से इस पूरे वीडियो की जांच होनी चाहिए। और जहां तक शेर सिंह डागर जी जो कि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट दिल्ली, उनका सवाल है, वो किसी भी रूप से ऑथराइज्ड नहीं है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ओर से कि वो सरकार बनाने की प्रक्रिया में अपनी भागीदारी करे। और थोड़ा बहुत जो हम वीडियो देख के समझ पाए हैं, उस वीडियो में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई भी कार्यकर्ता आम आदमी पार्टी के घर नहीं गया था, उल्टा हुआ था। तो मुझे लगता है ऑथेंटिसिटी के जांच के पश्चात ही कुछ कह पाएंगे, और शेर सिंह डागर जी खुद इस विषय पे कहेंगे।
लेकिन जिस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल आप पर आरोप लगा रहे हैं, लग रहा है कि आप लोग बहुत हड़बड़ी में हैं सरकार बनाने को लेकर।
हम कोई हड़बड़ी में नहीं है। हड़बड़ी में होते तो सरकार पहले ही बना लेते। हम बिल्कुल संविधान के दायरे में रहकर वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं जो संविधान हमें परमिशन देता है। हमने बहुत स्पष्ट रूप से कहा है कि खरीद फरोख्त में हम विश्वास नहीं करते हैं। और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी और कांग्रेस को चिंता काहे को है? उनके विधायक बिकाऊ हैं क्या? उनको विश्वास है अपने विधायकों पर? तो स्वाभाविक रूप से ऐसी स्थिति में एक अब्यूजिंग और एक्यूजिंग पार्टी के रूप में आम आदमी पार्टी को एक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए।
Sir, what is your official stand on Arvind Kejriwal allegation?
Number one, the authenticity of the video has to be checked, because the video has been seen by most of us and we could not understand as to what was transpiring. Secondly, Sher Singh Dagar has categorically denied that he has offered any kind of money. So I believe the unedited version of the tape should be submitted to the party so that we can see as to what transpired. Thirdly, Arvind Kejriwal should realize that Mr. Sher Singh Dagar is not the authorized person appointed by the Bharatiya Janata Party to look into the formation of the government. So in fact, whatever transpired between the two, if at all it transpired, is not the party's version. Lastly and most importantly, Aam Aadmi Party, whom I have often been calling them as the abusing and accusing party, has based its politics on such kind of sting operations of no value and useless and baseless allegations. So I believe Mr. Sher Singh Dagar in a while from now would be addressing a press conference and would in fact come clean on the whole issue.
Well, that was Sambit Patra of the BJP denying and distancing the BJP from this video evidence that has been presented by the Aam Aadmi Party, clearly saying that Sher Singh Dagar, BJP Vice President in the state, is in fact not authorized to carry out any such activity. Tina Sharma, now a Congress leader, is also joining me live. Tina, what do you make of these developments? The Aam Aadmi Party has put out this video of Sher Singh Dagar in fact offering bribe to an Aam Aadmi Party MLA of 4 crore rupees. The BJP coming out and questioning the veracity of the video, also distancing and denying any such thing in fact happening. What is the Congress Party's reaction to this?
See, I am not from Congress. Let me clarify this. I'm Tina Sharma, a social activist. Had been with BJP for good 8 years, and then I joined Aam Party and I left it. So I can give you only a political view where I can give you the insight of, both the sides of this story.
Right, Tina, go ahead.
Yeah, I think there are two things which you generally see in politics, that, they're killing democracy while offering all this money. And I have also been knowing that there are things which are going, there are discussions which are going between Aam Party MLAs and BJP MLAs and, some of the Congress MLAs and BJP MLAs, vice versa. But then it is, of course, individual choice. And I heard Sambit Patra saying that Sher Singh Dagar is not authorized person who's will look into matters of, forming government. So I have not understood this aspect of his conversation where he says all this. And I know that some of the BJP MLAs are trying to, manipulate government formation with the Aam Party MLAs. But then we need to check re-edited, the edited version of the video first. And second is, this is very common in politics, and one should not deny all these factors if it is coming out true. So this is what I can say.
Right. Thanks, Tina, for joining us with that video, a sting video, in which Sher Singh Dagar, the Vice President of the BJP State Unit, has in fact been caught on camera offering bribe to Dinesh Mohania of 4 crore rupees. The BJP, of course, coming out, distancing itself from this entire video, denying any such thing ever happening, and also, in fact, claiming that the veracity of this video should, in fact, be verified before this video is actually taken into cognizance. We will continue to bring in perspectives from the BJP, the Congress, and the Aam Aadmi Party on this developing story. On that note, we're slipping into a very short break. Back to the top stories in 2 minutes.